Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Earth Therapeutics sheet masks. These are just regular face masks. I have two examples here. This is the Brightening Black Pearl Mask, and this is the Rejuvenating Collagen Mask. I've also used their aloe, and there's a green tea one as well that I've tried. They're all really amazing. Today we are only going to be talking about the Rejuvenating Collagen Mask. So let me get that one out of the way and we can start this. Now, this is a Korean beauty product. If you don't know, K beauty products have been really blowing up the past year. It's been getting easier and easier to access them overseas, and I'm really glad to see that. This is called the Rejuvenating Collagen Mask. It is supposed to be very revitalizing, smoothing, firming. They have English on here as well for those of you who can't read Korean. It says, designed with a special non-irritating material that offers excellent coverage and intensive hydration. Now, I totally believe in this. I'm a firm believer in face masks, not just specifically sheet masks, but I really love like seaweed and black mud masks, the one that you have to like paint on. These are very great if you are low on time and don't really have the time to sit around and wait for a thick mask to dry. There's no rinsing involved. All you have to do is leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and you can rub the remaining serum into your face. Now, again, this mask is paraben-free. There are no mineral oils, no laurel or laureth sulfates, no artificial colors, and they do not test on animals. Let's go ahead and get into the directions. Step 1 is to cleanse and tone the skin. What that means is you're going to wash your face with your preferred facial cleanser, and then you're going to go in and tone your skin. The purpose of toning your skin is to remove any leftover dirt or any leftover makeup, things that you may have missed in the initial cleansing process. Step 2 is going to be to take the mask out of this packet, obviously, and put it on your face. There are little cutouts for the eyes as well as the mouth and a little flap for the nose, so the mask actually goes over your nose as well. Step 3 is to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and relax. For sheet masks like this, I think 15 to 20 minutes is quite perfect. Step 4 is going to be to remove the mask and massage the remaining serum into your skin. As I said before, there is no need to rinse. The essence is actually quite refreshing, quite moisturizing. It's non-greasy, it's not very oily. Some other cool things to know about this mask: it's an earth-friendly sheet mask. It's made from 100% biodegradable plant pulp. Now, plant pulp is actually quite fragile, so when using this mask, it's recommended that you be a little bit careful because it could tear. And this product is made and manufactured in Korea. It is a Korean beauty product. I've also used the Earth Therapeutics aloe mask. They also have an avocado mask, and I've tried the green tea mask as well. They're all just super moisturizing. They make your skin feel very refreshed, very bright, very bouncy, gives you a nice youthful appearance, and again, the serum's not oily whatsoever. And that is all the time that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Earth Therapeutics Rejuvenating Collagen Mask. I'll see you next time.